Hello everyone, in today's video we are going to see how you can hide your photos and videos in gallery on Samsung Galaxy A17. There are two methods to do that. First is secure folder and the second is lock album. I will show you both. So let's start. First, secure folder. First you need to go to your gallery. Then select the picture you want to shift. Let's say I want these two photos in my secure folder. To do that, I need to click on this and select Move to Secure Folder option. Tap on it and now, as you can see, my pictures are moved to secure folder. Let's check. I have to go to secure folder and from here tap on gallery. Now, as you can see, my pictures are moved to secure folder. To access them, I need a password. Now let's move forward to second option, which is lock album. So to do that, let's say I want this image and this video and this image. So these are three different images and one video. To shift them into lock album, first I need to create an album. To do that, simply tap on more and go to move to album. Now tap on create. Let me name it lock album. As you can see, it is now easily accessible, but I need to lock it. To do that, simply tap on this album and tap on more. From here you will see lock album option. Tap on it and now my album is locked. To access it, I need to write a pin. So I hope you like this video. If you do like, please hit like, subscribe, and I will see you in next video.